Yeah, so I personally believe that the next thing that people, I know I said it already and posted my comments about what I expect to happen in the future in my YouTube channel called Amazing 2007 for, but I think I feel like I need to say it again. I do believe the next big thing, people will begin videotaping and uploading videos, and YouTube will be videos of blankets of flames, probably also videos of air bubbles and horizontal lightning bolts. I believe that a second sun is coming in. I believe also that a lot of things are coming from the Milky Way galaxy. I believe a big event may take place on December 21st, 2012. And of course, I believe that the Earth is going through fits and producing Earth changes upon its planet. Now, I made a video which is in Captain Parrish about Jupiter had flipped upside down. Somebody had taken a photograph of the planet Jupiter in 2007, I think September 2007, September 2010, and this photograph showed Jupiter was upside down in September 2010. And I also remember that in 2010 the sun also flipped too. So whatever had flipped Jupiter, whatever had flipped the sun in 2010, is affecting our solar system in a great way. Last month, the atmosphere of Venus had gone into some type of explosive fit, and so, you know, just what the Bible talks about, that in the end days there will be signs in the heavens. I guess that's about it. So I'm here in Brooklyn. I'm here in New York, Manhattan, New York, and this is my last transmission. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching this video. Take care of yourselves. Bye.